Hi, my name is Mary Collend and welcome to your 7-minute, 7 days chair yoga journey. This is day 1 and it's called Just Be. So this sequence is all about being yourself and embracing what your body needs in this very moment. So there's no right or wrong, just what your intuition is telling you. So if you'd like to see more in the future, any videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Let's get started. Let's get comfortable on your chair, almost like you would at a bar or lounge. So you may scoot down, extend your legs, splay your feet open, dangle your arms by your side, whatever works best for you. And you may use a pillow underneath your booty. And if you want to, you can close your eyes or just find a soft gaze. And right now, just be. No effort, no control over your breathing. And let your entire body become heavy. Let your face and jaw become soft, your shoulders, your arms, your hands. If you need to, you can scoot down a little more. And let your legs and feet melt down. Take 2 more cycles of breath. And slowly deepen your inhale to wake yourself back up. Exhale, flutter your eyes open if you haven't yet. Alright, let's embrace alignment in our body. So articulate your knees above your ankles, hip width distance. Reach up your heart, shrug your shoulders down. You can release your arms by your side. And now, bring your right arm up and place your right hand on top of your head. So this is your crown chakra. Take a deep inhale, hold on to an imaginary string. Exhale, pull yourself up. So expand through your spinal column and get taller. Reach your hand higher and higher. Take 1 more inhale. Exhale, release your arm down. Same thing. Left hand up and on top of your head. Grab onto your string again. Take a breath in. Exhale, extend up into the sky. And then reach higher and higher. Feel the lengthening in your spine. Take 1 more inhale. Exhale. Liberate your arm down. Nice. Now, let's do some chair dancing. So, starting with your feet, come onto your tippy toes. Maybe you want to scooch a little forward. And then roll your feet out and in. And you may also roll out your hips and bring your hands onto your thighs and roll your shoulders back. And you can add more movements and make it a real dance. I think I'm already dancing, so I call this a dance. And then maybe you want to roll your head from side to side. Or not, it's a little confusing. And then I'll switch the direction. And bring your shoulders forward. It's a lot of coordination. Just to loosen up your muscles. Doesn't have to be perfect, just be yourself. Okay, then come back to stillness, please. Come into your chair more, arms by your side. And now imagine there's a really heavy weight holding on to your right hand, and that's pulling you down. So keep your core engaged, snap your belly in, keep your chest wide open, and let this weight pull you down. But at the same time, press down through your left foot. Press down through your left hip. And find your edge and stay. Take 1 more breath in. And exhale, slowly come back up using your obliques. Other side. Super heavy weight on your left arm. Pulling you down. Press down through your right foot, your right hip. Core is strong. Slowly reaching down, find your edge. Take one more inhale. Exhale, come back up. Nice. Now scoot forward, press your palms down. We want to open up our heart. So take a deep inhale. Exhale, shrug your shoulders down, lift your sternum up. You may gaze up, you may tilt your head back. Bend into your back a little more, opening up your heart. Take one more breath in and one more breath out. Slowly come back up. Now, guide your knees over to your right side. Plant your left hand behind you, your right hand to the outside of your foot, your leg. Take a deep inhale, lengthen up through your heart. Exhale, twist. Keep your heart open. Melt your shoulders down, and if you want to, you can gaze back. Imagine there's somebody really special waiting for you. You want to smile back. Inhale. Exhale, come back forward. Switching over to your left side. Right hand behind you. Left hand to the outside of your leg. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist. You widen your collarbones and soften your shoulders down. If you want to, you can gaze back. One more time, there's somebody really important waiting for you. Hi. Take a breath in. Exhale, come back forward. And now back to center. Finishing up our sequence, take a breath in, mountain. Reach your arms up over your head. Connect your palms. Exhale, hands to your heart. Namaste.